It's me, Mrs. Stilianu. So we just read the book Chicka Chicka Boom Boom, and my first graders had so much fun with it. So now we're going to be making our very own Chicka Chicka Boom Boom type of scene with a coconut tree, just like in the book, except we're going to do these a little bit different. So this is for our fundraiser with Square One Art. So every year I do Square One Art for my fundraiser. So basically what happens is these are going to get sent off to a company, and then my students and their families will all get a pack of stickers and a brochure with their artwork on it, and then they can order things with their art, and the money gets sent back to our school so I can spoil you guys with some more art supplies. So here's what's going to be happening in my scene. We need a ground first, okay? But my ground, I think I'd like it to be hilly, okay? So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to keep it the same length because you see how it fits exactly in my screen. So I'm not going to cut it this way. Instead, I'm going to cut it this way, but I want to turn it into a hill. Okay, let's see that. Does that work? Oh, awesome. So cool. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is put some glue. All right. And you're going to glue it directly to the bottom, just like I did, okay? So your hill gets glued where? To the bottom. So if you see that there's any room left over, just try to cover it. All right, we're back. So I've gone ahead and I've made my ground. Okay, next thing I need to do is make my coconut tree. So I'm going to show you guys some little tips and tricks, okay? Check it out. So my coconut tree, I'm going to use this other piece of brown paper. I hope you're watching. And my coconut tree has this type of texture, you see? Now, it's going to get skinnier. Yep, as it goes to the top. I'm going to draw it out first. Okay, looks like a chainsaw.
It actually does.
Now, when it comes to cutting exactly on the line, I like to sing my choo-choo noise. Maybe you guys can help me stick with the track, stay on track. So I go chugga 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 choo-choo. Go ahead. I'll tell you when to stop. Okay, stop. So now I want to show you, I have this thing I just made, but I want you to see, you can see all those pen marks on it. Well, I don't want to show those pen marks in my real picture. Oh no. So I'm going to have this part face the paper. That's going to be the side that gets the glue. So now I get to decide where my tree goes. Can I show you another little tip? You ready for another tip? Here's what I'm going to do. I can lift this up, tuck that underneath. What do you think of that? Yeah. All right. I'll glue that down a little bit better. All right. Do you think maybe I should add a second coconut tree, or do you think just one is good? All right. So I'll tell you what. I'm just going to show you another shortcut. So here's what's going to happen. I have the scrap left over. Look, one side is like perfect already, right? Watch what I'm going to do. Because I like doing less work than I have to. Do you guys feel that way too? Now, of course, you can draw this out again, or you could just kind of free cut it. Do what you please with this. It should get narrower at the top. That's a tough word to say. Narrower. Try saying that 3 times fast. Narrower. All right, guys. I think, yes. Oh, I like it with 2 trees. I do. Do you have to have 2 trees in yours? No. Hey, again, I got pen on one side. Should that side be the side sticking up? No. All right, let's put some glue on it. All right, let's go ahead and put some glue. And I go ahead, I tuck that underneath. And I'm just going to glue this all down a little bit more. Hey, guess what I'm going to do next? Anyone know? Raise your hand, Amari.
I think she's gonna measure it.
You're on the right track. I'm gonna do something like that. I'm gonna give it to Aurora.
Make the leaves.
That's right. Hey, check it out. I have light green strips and dark green strips. Let me show you because it's fun to play with colors. So watch. I want to show you when you have the strip. Do you guys want to see another shortcut so you can do less work? Right? Okay. So watch this. This strip, well, I can fold it in half. Okay.
And then cut it.
Yep, I can fold it in half, and then what I'm going to do, it's folded now. I'm going to draw some leaves on it. You know what? I think I'll draw some more leaves. I'm going to draw 2 leaves on here. Now, I folded this in half. So, you know, when I cut this, I'm also cutting the back half, and I did 2 leaves. So did someone say I'm going to have 4 leaves?
Yeah.
Who thinks she's right?
I think she's
Oh my goodness, we got some Smarties in here. Some Smarties.
I think that too. I said that.
All right, let's see here. Look, oh my goodness, how many do I have? And I'm going to cut the other one.
Yeah.
And how many am I going to get, Max?
4.
I'm going to get another 2. 2 plus 2 equals.
4.
You are so smart. What a bunch of kids.
Yes.
Okay, so before I go gluing anything, I'm going to also make some leaves with my dark green. Okay, I'm just waiting, unfortunately. Thank you. Okay. So, don't forget we're making a video. Here's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do it all again on this one. Did you see I folded it in half first?
Yes.
Maybe I'll do 3 on this one. Hey, how many leaves am I going to get if I do 3?
6.
Oh my goodness, I can't fool you guys. Now, of course, you can make as many leaves as you want. I'm going to start with this many, and then we'll see if we need more. Hope you're watching.
Yep.
Charlie, I'm just going to have you go sit by Brooke now. Thank you. Okay. I hope you're paying attention. I hope not to move anyone else. Okay. Let's see how many we're going to get. You guys thought 6. Let's see. So we learned Chicka Chicka Boom Boom all about the alphabet. Now we're learning about numbers, aren't we? Okay. Let's see what we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have 4 from before. 7, 8. There should be 2 here. 9, 10. We got 10 leaves. Hey, question. If I see the pen mark, should I glue that side?
No.
Yes, I should. I want to glue that side down. All right, check it out. I'm going to start to arrange my leaves and glue them. All right, I can do a mix of light brown and dark brown. Uh-oh, I got a little pen there. That's okay. Maybe I can cover it up. So if you mess it up, dress it up, right? Isn't that what I always say? If you mess it up, dress it up.
I like it. No.
That is fun, huh?
Whenever I make up, whenever I
Now, my trees are missing something, aren't they?
Yeah.
I know.
How about the lighters?
Yeah, well, I don't think we're going to put those letters, or maybe we will. Maybe that'll be a later on type of thing, right? It's okay if they come a little bit off your page, and you can have some that also go up like this, and look, I got one more left. I'm sure I can find a spot for it, right? Look at my 2 palm trees.
So good. I love it. Yes.
Fun, right? Oh, you know what? Do I like that there? I'm not so sure. I could always move it. You don't have to stick with the things you do in here. You can change it up. Hey.
Good.
Okay, did someone tell me that I was missing coconuts?
Yeah.
Coconuts for coconuts. Oh, yeah. Okay. For my coconut, I'm going to use my leftover scrap. I'm going to fold this. I can fold it actually twice. Now, when I fold this, I'm going to be able to get 4 coconuts out of this.
Oh, I know. My mom told.
Yep, it's a shortcut. Maybe you want some smaller coconuts too. Maybe you can get some little guys in there. Now, I want to tell you what I'm going to be doing. When you guys are working on this, I'm going to pull you guys one at a time, and I'm going to take a picture of you guys reading a book, and we're going to stick you underneath your coconut tree. Last year, we did this project a little bit differently. This year, we're doing it similarly, but a little different. So last year, I did not do this for your square one, and I should have. I didn't think of it. This year, I'm totally doing it for your square one. It's such a fun, cute project. All right. So I'm just going and I'm putting in my coconuts. Now, we live in Florida. Have you guys ever seen coconuts in a palm tree before?
Yes. Oh, yes.
Where'd you see it?
In my neighbor's yard.
In your neighbor's yard, huh?
At a,
That is really cool.
at a beach.
At a beach, huh? Let's see. Oh, can I have one? Look, I have one falling. All right. Now, once I get to here, here's what's going to happen. I'm going to use markers.
For the water.
I'm going to use markers, and I can draw my sun. I can draw my sky. Let me just go and do something real quick.
You can draw on your coconut.
All right. Are you ready? I'm going to show you now how to make something like your sky. Are you ready?
Oh, I knew it.
Coloring it in.
Knew it you were gonna draw one.
All right. Can I draw some details also on my coconut tree scene? Can I, let's see what else I can do. Can I put a sun in my sunny sky? Uh-huh. I could. All right, I want to show you 1 or 2 more things here. Can you all do me a favor and make sure that you do not write up here? Because I'm going to come around and I'm going to write your information for you. So should you write your name? Should you? No, absolutely not. All right, one more thing. Can I draw on my leaves? Can I draw some fun details? The more details, the better. All right, I'm going to sign off. Ready? On the count of 3, we'll say goodbye. 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye.